Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Shaniece T. Today's video is a wig installation of this stunning 10-inch bob wig from Wiggins hair. I've seen so many people say how much they love the quality of the hair, so I had to check it out for myself. The hair was so easy to straighten and customize. I was a bit hesitant in trying the bob, but I am so happy I did. Please tell me in the comments how you think it looks on me. This is a T-parting wig. The frontal is a 6x13 inch. The hair comes so dark and shiny. I customized it by bleaching and plucking the wig. I only plucked the middle of the wig because I had no intention of showing my sides, but here we are. So I'm defo going to pluck the rest of the frontal. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to check out the description box. I have all the products and equipment I used listed down below. Oh, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!